Welcome to another edition of Protect and Prosper, brought to you by BimaNet. My name is Wanjiru Githiomi-Ng'ang'a. Today, I'm just going to talk about the ABC of insurance basics. What is insurance? Everybody, okay, well, a lot of people have insurance, but let's agree what it is. It is just an agreement between two parties to provide protection and compensation in return for money paid into a pool. And insurance comes in many flavors and forms. There's the regulated insurance and the unregulated insurance. So for example, I know everybody belongs to a SACCO and a chama or a church or a welfare organization. You put money at the end of every month for the intention of drawing out on it when something happens. That is a form of insurance. But the regulated kind of insurance we want to talk about is the one that is regulated by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Kenya. An underwriter, for example, is the company that has agreed to take on your risk on a formal basis. So ladies and gentlemen, underwriting is a very complicated process because the insurance company has to ask you enough questions to get into your world, to understand you better, so that they can price the product properly and at the right price. For example, they want to know, your lifestyle, how much you drink. Some of these questions are really invasive, but it is important to be honest about them because for underwriting to work well, the risk must be shared between low risk, medium risk, and high risk individuals. And that's good for our companies because we don't want our companies to go down by being faced by 1,000 people all applying for a life policy at the same time after only paying premiums for 1 year. This underwriting process is done by very clever people in this country. They are called actuaries. In fact, I just discovered how to pronounce it, actuaries. There are only 15 of them in Kenya, and they use mathematics and certain assumptions to ensure that the policies are priced right and that they've got the right mix of people. Now, this underwriting process does not only protect the company from going down because of excessive claims, but also from fraud. Fraud is a big problem. This is Kenya bana. There's some people who are just saying, I'm going to break my leg one day because nimesota nataka chapaya insurance, or somebody wants to take a week out and go hang out in a hospital. These things eventually affect the bottom line of the organization, which in turn increases the price of insurance for the good citizens who honor their insurance. So, ladies and gentlemen, those are just some of the basics of insurance, and we know you have insurance. Sometimes you don't know why you have insurance, because the government told you to take one, because your company gave you one. This series of videos are really to demystify why insurance is important for you and for your loved ones so that you can live well and with dignity. Thank you very much for watching this edition of Protect and Prosper. Please subscribe, ask us questions, share this video. We are here to do what we can. See you in the next video. Goodbye. This is Wanjiru Githiomi-Ng'ang'a. See ya.